Today we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 9, playing with numbers. So in this chapter, the first exercise is about BODMAS simplification, and the same exercise we have solved earlier in class 5th, BODMAS. So simply first I want to explain type of brackets. The first one bracket that we have to solve is vinculum, also known as bar bracket. Then small brackets or parenthesis we have to solve, small brackets. Then after curly brackets, or you can also call middle brackets, we have to solve. Then in the last, square brackets or big brackets. So just know the order. First bar bracket, then second small bracket, then third one is curly bracket, then last one is square bracket. In this way we have to solve. Then we have to simplify questions by using BODMAS. And as you know very well about BODMAS, in BODMAS, B stands for bracket, O stands for off means what? Multiplication, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Now we are solving questions from exercise. First question is 19 minus 1 plus 5 minus 3. So rule is BODMAS. B stands for bracket. Is there any bracket? Yes, we are having here bracket. So first we will solve that bracket, and other values we have to write as it is what is given in question. यहाँ पे पहले ब्रैकेट है, पहले ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करना है. ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करने के बाद आप आगे सॉल्व करेंगे. उसके लिए पहले 19 एज इट इज़ रहेगा माइनस. नाउ 1 plus 5 6, so 6 and bracket is removed now, minus 3. Now 19 minus 6, 19 minus 6 13, and 13 minus 3 10. So 10 is your required answer. In this way you have to simplify these sums. Then second and third both are same. I am solving third. 28 minus 3 into 8 divide by 6. So again BODMAS. First is B. B stands for bracket. So we are having bracket. Yes, we are having bracket here. So 28 will be same, no change, minus. Now 8 3 ja 24. Bracket is removed. Then divide by 6. Now your bracket part is over. After that we are having off. Is there any off? No, there is no off. So just leave that. After that we are having D. D stands for division. Is there any division? Yes, there is division. So now we will divide 24 by 6. As you know, 6 1 ja 6 4 ja. So in this place 28 minus 4. The last you have to subtract only. So 24 is your required answer. So like this you have to solve questions of BODMAS simplification. Then fourth question I am solving here now. 9 minus square bracket, then small bracket, 4 minus 3 plus 2 into 5, then square bracket close. So first is B. B stands for bracket. As you can see, we are having here two brackets. The first one is square bracket, the big bracket, and inside small bracket. So first we have to solve small bracket, then big bracket we have to solve. So 9 will be same, 9 minus. Now this 4 minus 3 1 plus 2 into 5 10. Now 9 minus 1 plus 10 11, so write 11. Now 9 minus 11, subtracting bigger number from smaller. So 11 minus 9, as you know, 2, but subtracting bigger from smaller, so minus 2. Minus 2 is your required answer. Question number 5 and 6 you can solve. 7th is also easy. 8th I am solving here. 22 minus square bracket inside 3 minus curly bracket 8 minus small bracket 4 plus 6, then curly bracket close, square bracket close. So as I explained you in the starting of this video how to solve brackets. First you will solve bar bracket, then you will solve small bracket, then you will solve curly brackets, and in the last square bracket. So there is no bar bracket, so just leave that. But small bracket is here and we are having small bracket here. So first we will solve this. Clear? And remaining as it is you have to write. So 22 will be same, 22 no change, minus square bracket minus 3, then curly bracket minus 8. Now 4 plus 6, 10, and outside you are having negative sign, so it will be minus 10. Now your small bracket is solved. After that we have to solve curly brackets. So we will solve only curly brackets and other values will be as it is, no change. So 22 minus square bracket 3 minus. Now 8 minus 10, subtracting bigger number from a smaller number. Subtracting 10 from a smaller number 8. So as you know 10 minus 8 will give you 2, but you are doing opposite. What? You are subtracting bigger number from smaller, so you will get minus 2. Okay, so there is a little change, and what is that change? Watch it now. First write 22 as it is, minus square bracket 3. Now as you can see we are having here negative sign, and inside also we are having negative sign. So when we will remove this bracket, so this negative and negative will become positive. Clear? So I am removing this bracket sign, so minus and minus will become plus and 2. Your curly bracket is removed now. Now 22 minus 3 plus 2, 5, square bracket removed. 22 minus 5, 17. 17 is your required answer. Next, question number 9. In question number 9, 34 minus square bracket 29 minus curly bracket start 30 plus 66 divide by small bracket start 24 minus 28 minus 26 bar bracket over 28 and 26 curly bracket close, square bracket close. Okay, now in this question simply we are having all brackets. Clear? So you know order. First we have to solve bar bracket, then small bracket, then curly bracket, and then in the last square bracket. Clear? So same we will do, but before that, if you are having a bar bracket and just before bar bracket if you are having negative sign, so this sign you have to change. This minus will be plus. And for example, if we are having plus here, so only you have to remove bar bracket and inside sign will be same, no change. Clear? So we are having negative here and bar bracket here. So this negative will change sign of this value, this negative sign. So first write 34 as it is, no change. 29 minus curly bracket 30 plus 66 divide by small bracket start 24 minus. Now this 28 will be 28. This negative sign will be positive. If we are having negative sign just before bar bracket, then change sign. Otherwise, it will be same. If you are having positive sign here, it will be same, no change. Then 26. Small bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. Now your bar bracket is solved. Now after bar bracket, we have to solve small bracket. So 34 minus 29, then minus curly bracket start 30 plus 66 divide by, now 24 plus 26, so 24 plus 26 will give you 50, and 50 minus 28 you will have 22. Small bracket solved. Now after small bracket we have to solve curly brackets. So 34 minus 29 minus curly bracket. So in curly bracket we are having addition and division, but as per BODMAS first we have to solve division. So 66 divided by 22. 11 2 ja, 11 6 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. You can perform this cut up here, or you can also perform actual division. 22 3 ja, 66. So in both cases you will get 3. So 30 plus 3. Now this 30 plus 3 will give you 33. Now just before this curly bracket you are having a negative sign. So first write 34 minus square bracket start 29, then minus 33. Now in this big bracket, square bracket, 33 is a bigger number which we are subtracting from 29. So subtracting bigger number by a smaller number. So as you know, 33 minus 29 will give you 4, but you are doing opposite. You are subtracting bigger from smaller, so you have to write minus 4, and it will be same 34 minus. Now this minus and minus, if I will remove this bracket, this minus and minus will become plus. Clear? So 34 then plus 4, finally 38. 38 is your required answer. Now you can solve question number 10, 11 and 12. All these questions are same, easy. You can solve.